Hi, welcome to Nichecraft. My name is Kassi and I'm your host, and today is Mystery Box Monday on a Tuesday. That's right, guys. I was not able to get my video up yesterday, so we are going to have Mystery Box Monday on Tuesday this week. And I have a really special Mystery Box Monday planned for you guys. It is the Hobbii Advent Calendar for crocheters. So what I have is 4 different boxes that are labeled by number. And so 1 through 4, and they have, we don't know. So basically what I understand these to have is Christmas themed yarn and crochet notions that are appropriate for the holidays. Now the price of the Crochet Advent is $119, and it's the same for the Knit Advent as well. The last time I checked, they did not have any more Crochet Advents available, but they did still have some Knitting Advents available. So we are going to be opening the Crochet Advents, and we're going to see what this is about. So I am definitely ready. I hope you guys are. And we are going to start with box number 1. So something that I really like about these boxes is that they're Christmas themed, and I already know that I can use these to store Christmas items. So I really like that. So we have a bag of happiness right here. Okay, so I like that presentation. And this is a drawstring bag from Hobbii. All right, and I assume you're supposed to put your yarn in it. And look at that. Oh, that is so awesome. Look at that. I love that. So we have a bag to put yarn in. And wow, okay. So we have some rainbow 8/4 quality 100% cotton. And it looks like we also have some thread here. Now, I do know that this came with a card. I don't have it on my craft table right now, but it did come with a card with a code that you can scan. I can't remember what they're called, but they look like little Minecraft characters. On the front, it's like black. I think it's called a QV code, maybe? I'm not certain. Greg, what are they called?
QR?
Oh, QR code. Okay, so they're called QR codes. I don't know what it stands for. I just know that you can scan it with your phone, okay? I mean, I don't have to know that, right? So yeah, so I'm sure that this is probably some kind of, I mean, I'm just pretending, but maybe it's like a snowman's happy face or something like that. But something that's really cool about this green and this white is that it has these like gold flecks in it. Isn't that beautiful? I think that that is so pretty. Yeah. And this is a really nice deep green for the holiday here. So we've got the classic red and green, and then we've got the white, but then we also have this gold color, which I always think gold looks really good, you know, with these colors. And then we have this color is oh, it doesn't say. I would have thought that it would have its color 6, but it's this brown color. Maybe this might be the trunk of a Christmas tree or something like that. I don't know because I haven't seen the code, but they all fit in here very nicely and with the thread in there. So I'm definitely happy with this first box. I think this is a great box, and I am really looking forward to seeing what is going to be in box number 2. All right, guys, so here is box number 2. It's got a reindeer and some Christmas trees on it, and we're going to pull back the curtain and see what's behind it. All righty, here we go. All right, looks like we've got lots of notions in this one, and let's see what this is. Let's see, that's upside down anyway. Oh, okay, so 100% cotton ribbon yarn. All right, so I've never actually worked with ribbon yarn. Not certain if I'd even like it or not. But since, yeah, this is it's pretty heavy. Looks like it has 125 meters in it. And like I said, there is some kind of pattern for this. So I'm going to be interested to see what the pattern is here. And so I've got that, but we've got a whole lot of other things. So we have this bamboo crochet needle, which is a 5 millimeter. I believe that would be a H hook. Yeah, it's got the Hobbii logo on it. Isn't that kind of cool? Yeah. Cool. And then we have a couple of these you sew them on. You can like sew them onto the brim of a hat or something like that, and they're just labels that you can use. You might want to write handmade on it or something like that. Here are some handmade tags, cotton labels. Cool. Oh, that's cute. So we have 6 postcards designed by Hobbii. So do you guys want to open them up and see what they are? Because I only see, okay, so there's 2 of each one of these. So one of these is, I will always love you. Oh, isn't that cute? And then we have 2 made with love. And 2 of, I just love this one. It's got a lady and she's got yarn balls for hair and she's holding a yarn ball. Oh, I bet she saves a lot on her yarn supply. And then we've got a basket bottom. One of these. I have some square ones. I've never actually used it to make a basket before, but I have them and I was going to maybe do a tutorial. It's a plywood base, 15 centimeters in diameter. So we got a whole bunch of notions in this one compared to the other one. So I'm just going to put all of this stuff back here. And we're going to move on to box number 3. All right, here's box number 3. We've got a Christmas tree, some hearts, and the number 3 on it. So let's see what's in this box here. Okay. We've got some, oh my gosh, that's soft. Some peacock yarn. Oh my goodness, this is so soft. It's color 11. It doesn't say anything else other than it's color 11. Wait, let's see. So it's a 5 bulky weight. It's polyester, 65 meters. A K crochet hook. So that would be, yeah. This is really, really soft. Oh, wow. Like really, really soft. Okay, so we've got that. Oh, I've been wanting some of these. We've got guitar scissors. Isn't that cool? Hey, Greg, look at these.
Well, that's neat.
He says they're neat if you didn't hear him. Yeah, we've got some guitar scissors. That's awesome. And then we have some handmade, like little wooden handmade things. You can attach them with that. I like that. Some buttons. Might put these in one of my next giveaways, huh? And a Kind Feather premium acrylic. So this label's kind of come undone here, but it says it's color 19. This is also really, really, really soft. Feels like a weight 3. That's what it says it is. And it recommends a G hook with this. So, wow, this is really, really soft. I don't know if you can tell, but like if I squeeze on it, see how much give it has? And it's really, really soft. Like that anti-pilling yarn is always so soft. Yeah, really nice. Love it. So, wow, we got a lot more yarn in this one than notions, but we still got a lot of cool stuff here. All right, so now we're on to box 4, our last box. Let's see what we got. All right, guys, so this is the last box. We have a little heart and bows and a gingerbread cookie and the number 4. So this is the last. Okay, got a lot of stuff on here. We've got this yarn care. here. Let's see what's inside here. I have these fake nails on. I thought they would look cool for this season and everything, but they didn't. They're press-on instead of the glue-on, and for me, those press-ons, they come off pretty quickly. I don't know if you're supposed to, like, put these in... You know what? I don't know what these are for, but you've got these little... maybe they're not scented, that I can tell. I'm not certain what these are for, but I can obviously look it up. Maybe one of you guys could tell me what this is for, but it's got a cute, like, little, very small, tiny drawstring bag. I could keep, like, buttons or, like, stitch markers in this. It would be really easy to keep that in there. In fact, it would probably go really well with that drawstring bag that I got. And we have got some darning needles with that tip that's like curved. I love these. The ones with the curved tips are the best. If not the plastic ones, it's kind of hard to tell which one's the best. Oh my goodness. Alpaca lace. Ooh, this is so soft. This is softer than the cotton. Like way softer than the cotton. I'd be hard pressed to find something that I have gotten in yarn that is softer than this. I'm trying really hard to think if I've ever felt anything more soft than this. I think that this is now first place for the softest yarn I've ever touched. Now, it's probably just, it's alpaca, and then since it's lace, there's a lot of like air, you know, and so when it just feels really plush, you know. So it would probably be soft even if it wasn't lace weight. But wow, that's soft. And then, oh, see, this is really soft too. Alpaca Blaze, 40% acrylic, 30% alpaca, and 30% polyamide. So, color 4. So this is a 0 lace weight. Not certain what this one is. It says, it's just a 25 gram, but it says it has 246 yards in it. That's a lot of yardage for 25 gram. Let's see how, okay, so this is pretty small. Look at that. So yeah, this is pretty, I don't know if you can tell. It's just got a really big halo on it. So I would imagine that it would probably pair these up. I really wonder what the pattern is for this. Man, that's really cool. I really like this. So soft. Very soft. And speaking of stitch markers, here are some stitch markers. 45-piece stitch markers. I personally don't like these as much as I like the regular ones, but I mean, stitch markers are stitch markers, you know. And, oh, nice. I think this is supposed to be red and green, but to me it looks like orange and green. And we've got a notebook, and I love these bullet journal notebooks. It's soft cover. It looks like these pages got a little messed up, but it's a nice notebook. Definitely would make a really good addition to your project bag. Definitely. I might put this one in a giveaway, actually. So that is the entire Advent for crocheters from Hobbii. So what did you think about this Advent? Do you think that it's worth $119, or do you think that maybe it was worth a little bit less, maybe more? I don't know. I personally would probably price it closer to $80 as far as like everything that's put together, but I do know that I'm going to be reusing these boxes, and I think they're cute, and so I will be seeing these every Christmas from now on, for as long as they last at least, when I take out my Christmas decorations and everything. So that's kind of nice. I like that. I also like that I got some stuff that I will definitely use, and then I got some stuff that I'm like, oh wow, that would be really nice for a giveaway. So when I look at yarn and notions when I make a purchase like this, I'm looking at you know, am I going to use it actually, or is this just, something that I'm showing you guys, and then, later on I'm going to be like, okay, now what do I do with this? So I know that I'm going to use it. And I also know that some of those things you guys would probably really like in a giveaway. If I accidentally said mystery box, I meant giveaway. I'm not going to go back and check and everything, but I meant giveaway. I have some things in here and in these boxes that I know would make good in giveaways. For example, the buttons. I like to put buttons in my giveaways and stuff like that. So I'm really happy with that too. So anyway, let me know what you think about this. Thank you guys so much for watching to the end. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I've got giveaways I've been talking about. In fact, I'm going to post my next giveaway either tonight or tomorrow. Okay, and let me check if I have a calendar on my watch. I forgot if I do or not. Oh, goodness. I went out of town this weekend to visit my sister who moved back to Arkansas from from Colorado. So I'm kind of off right now on my days. But I think that today is maybe the 4th. Is today the 4th, Greg?
Yes.
Okay, so Greg says it's the 4th and we're going to trust him. So tomorrow I'm going to be announcing the winner of my giveaway that's going on right now. So you guys are going to need to find that giveaway, the one that's up right now, and enter to win, because you want to get your entry in before tomorrow at 6 p.m. Central Time, because that's when I'm going to close it down and pick the winner. And tomorrow, probably in the morning, if I get it recorded tonight, I will be posting my next giveaway. All right, so you guys make sure that you're subscribed so you don't miss those giveaways, and don't miss to find out if you're the winner. I've got videos that we'll be posting just about every day for the rest of the week, and I'm really looking forward to spending some time with you guys this week. That said, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon in another video. Bye for now.